So today I'll be going out to test out the video quality of Nikon D5600 and let us see how is it, and let us see how the focus point, how everything, the quality of Nikon D5600. So let us get going.
Sa khuy rơ cơ mù ngơ nơ quần yam quy pháo shop đi ra ra đi a chi mừng ngơ lên đi ngơ sa mi lơ i wi a khơ ma. She my name so ni de le I wi le ke shi a ke mang ke chi le mang ni you could day when you lo nin chang na ngam khu nai na wi a kha na zap na chi le che le le nin chang baby ne pan sing sa khuy rơ khờ mù ngơ nơ quần yam quy vào shop đi ra ra đi a chi lưng ngơ lên đi ngơ sa mi lơ I wi a khơ ma.
So we have watched the video, and according to me, it was good. I don't know what you think about that, so it depends on you, and please let me know in the comment section if you think it is good and if you think that is really damn bad. So yes, the video was good, the quality was good, sharpness and everything was good, except we have to work on focus. Yes, this is the first time that I'm just testing this Nikon D5600 video quality, and I'm just happy with it. I'm just happy. And for photography, I would suggest every beginner to go for this camera, because it really gives a good photo. It really gives a good quality photo. Yes. And one thing, the music that is played for the video, that is the background music, is a song sung by Yang Yung Tamang, an upcoming tangkul young singer. So you please go to his YouTube channel and listen to his beautiful songs. I will put his YouTube channel's link in my description, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. I will be coming back to you with many more videos of photo shoots, videos of travel, and anything that I can do for you. And yes, please do let me know if you want me to do anything that you want to watch or anything. Please do let me know, and I will bring it to you if I can. So once more, please do subscribe and share. So thank you.